Okay, here we have the 971 LM compatible remote. This remote works with both Liftmaster Craftman Sears and also Raynor garage door openers with the orange or red program button that's located behind the garage door opener. Here we're going to show you what you get when you buy a two garage door opener package. So basically it'll look like this. You got a Ziploc bag with the two remotes inside. Each remote comes with a clip for your visor, as well as a manual to show you how to program. Programming is very simple if you haven't done it before with the original remotes. The way you program this remote is pretty much the same way. You're gonna press the learn button in the back of the garage, the orange or red button. Once that's pressed, the LED light will turn on. At that time, press the button on the remote control for about 2 seconds, and that will make it program.